Nancy, and on my cousin. Gosh. I'm on my cousin's account, and I'm drinking more soda. Sorry about my hands. So today we're gonna peel slime slime. I was playing with this one before the video, and it's like so sticky.
She broke every bone in her body once.
I have not broken my arm or hand. I've only sprained my right foot 2 times and fractured my left foot.
Dang!
Oh my god, guys. Ready, listen. Shh, shh, shh. Ready? Yo. There's a fly. Like, flying around here. There you go, nice.
Sorry.
Sorry if this video is like every time I touch
This is our
slime,
third.
it's
This is our third slime video. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
Wait,
So
wait.
Every time we upload a new video.
Don't hit the like button. Actually, wait. Can you hit it in 3, 2, 1? Did you do everything? Did you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell in 3 seconds?
Then hit the notification bell to get notified every time we upload a new video.
So, yeah. And sorry guys if you also see me every time I touch the slime, it sticks to me. Normally it doesn't, but it just always sticks to me. Not always, but if they sit out, they always stick to you. So, that was that slime. How am I going to be in it?
Yeah, just right this.
Next one is this chalk slime that I
Oh, give me that.
carved chalk in it.
Yeah, look at this, look at this, look at this, look at it, 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 look at it,
It's like,
look at it.
do you know what that means?
What?
Guys, comment down below if you know what that means. I'm not telling you. Ow, Tommy, don't choke me. What? No, he was trying to. Never mind. Tommy, why did you touch it, silly?
It wasn't my fault. It crawled on me.
Oh, the slime was just like a bug. Is that it?
No. Now we're gonna turn the camera around.
No.
No, we have to.
I don't.
No, so I can film you.
Not yet. Sorry about that, guys.
I will lie.
Sometimes Tommy forgets he's on camera. That's his arm. Fine.
No, it's not.
Yes, it
It's
is.
real. It's so real.
Oh my god, guys.
It's another
Look at all
one.
that.
It's so foamy.
Ready?
It's so foamy.
I love the color of this.
Why is it? It looks like chapped lips.
Look, it's like pink.
It's
And then
chapped
it's like
lips.
red.
Guys, if you know what it is, it's
Look,
chapped.
it's pink
lips.
on this, but
It's
red.
chapped lips.
Shut.
Did you tell me just?
No, it said shut. I said shut. I said shut. Yes, I said shush.
Dang it. That's sweet.
Guys, it's so glossy. Don't do that.
How are you supposed to get it out?
Don't get it out. It's too sticky.
Like, comment if you know how to get slime out, because I do not.
Tommy, don't get it out. It's too sticky.
And this happens.
I told you not to get it
And
out.
that happens. And then that happens.
Comment down below if you're sibling or a cousin or a friend is not listening to someone.
I know she talks about me when she told me.
No, I'm not. I don't even have a channel, so I can't.
I know. I know you talk about me at home.
I don't.
Mm-hmm.
You probably talk about me. You probably talk about me.
I do.
How dare
In a
you?
nice way.
But yeah, I talk about you, but in a nice way. Guys, I'm gonna try to fix these. Don't.
I need to get
Again?
It's color on my face.
I got shaving cream guys to fix it a little bit.
It was on there. I forgot about it.
Yep. Mhm.
Why does slime never stick to you?
Mhm. today I was in camp and I saw like a roach on its back trying to crawl, and I seen its legs going.
That's
No, it's not sad. It's disgusting.
He died.
No, it didn't.
It did. It's so sad.
Guys, it's turning pink.
That's sad.
Alright, it's turning pink.
It's.
It's definitely pink and it's definitely not red. His favorite color is blue.
Don't tell him my real favorite color.
Pink.
I'm gonna get you for that.
I'm just kidding. His favorite color is green.
No, it actually is pink.
Thomas! I was trying to just trick them again. Guys, seriously, his favorite color is like reddish.
Well,
Right?
no, it's not. It's pink.
Guys.
Get another one.
Say hi, Mom.
Mom, say hi.
Don't touch that one. You already had a problem with that one. No matter how. I'll feel it first.
No more shaving cream.
Is it?
Oh.
And that. That's good.
Don't get it everywhere and don't mix it in.
Tell me if you know how to get slime out.
Tell me, look, watch.
I don't care.
Look how easy that was.
That was so hard. This is not my.
And again, it's
Kenzie, seriously help.
Tommy, go like this really fast.
I can't.
Go like this.
No, I don't have it. Mommy,
This is why. This is why
This is why I
we
don't-
never make slime videos anymore. This is why. This is like a reason why.
Ah, look at it.
Stay still.
This is getting.
Oh, Tommy, no.
This is the reason why I don't
Wait,
play
stop,
with slime.
stop.
This is the reason.
No, it's brown. Tommy, it's not funny. It turns brown. Oh God. Tommy, stop sticking your hands in there.
I have to get the slime on my hands.
Oh my God. Guys, this was a complete fail again.
This is another fail. Get this off
Keep your
my
hands still.
Get this off.
Kenzie's getting it off. Stop.
Get this off my
Kenzie's
fingers.
gonna wash her hands.
This is the third time I had to wash my hands.
Come on, Tommy. Tommy. Oh my God.
It's the third time I had to wash my hands today.
Here,
Alright.
look at it.
Go wash
This
your
is the
hands.
third time I had to wash my hands.
Guys.
How do you get it off?
Go.
On.
Guys.
Thanks a lot, Kens.
What did I do?
You said it was good. But
I said, I hope you enjoyed.
yeah, but that slime is so.
Okay. That was somewhat appearing.
That's why I don't think.
And I have also done makeup, but who cares? And I would have had more, but then the slime got mixed. So I'm gonna do it the closest. I think this is the closest.
That's why I don't play with slime.
Try your hands.
This is why I don't play with slime. Do you understand me?
We'll do another slime video tomorrow. Just kidding. Like, maybe, but we'll try to activate them a little bit. If they're- try this one, just poke it.
How about this?
Let's do
The
this,
next-
hurry up.
The next video that we're gonna do is how to make slime. How to make slime.
Hurry up, poke it. See if
Bye.
this is
See
good.
you. See you next time, guys. Bye.